What's going on, YouTube? Charlie here with another video. Today is an awesome day. Somebody's alarm bell left out here. We got rain today, and the grass is looking greener and nice. Other than that, the day's going great. I hope you guys are having lots of fun and stuff. I'll talk to you guys sooner or later. I just wanted to show you a few things. I just want to show you a few things real quick. And, show you this fire pit. All the brush that goes in here. We'll have all that stuff cleared out. And we'll get that pile over there cleaned. This is my little whirly monitor over here. It's turning. I don't know what to do with this bush. Just let me know in the comment section down below what I should do with it. And that, keep you posted. You also got some zucchini and like squash growing. But yeah, we have that growing. Wait, I got this stick. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you share and subscribe. I'll keep you guys posted on the next video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful night. Safe traveling. And all that stuff. See you guys later. Bye.